People have got to start realizing that worth is not just measured in terms of financial worth. There's something called spiritual currency. And that spiritual currency, if you do not have, you actually are bankrupt. It's a bankruptcy of the soul. And what you're trying to do is to refuel the soul, to re-nurture the self. When you've been an oppressed people, your sense of self-worth is taken away from you. Which is why you find these examples whereby, for example, here I am as a business person, and my brother, Usipho Shabalala, comes to me and he presents a proposal. I don't have confidence in working with him. And then Kwes Potgieter comes along and I don't even think twice, I don't do any type of SWOT analysis. I immediately feel I can go with this person. Simply because Sipho Shabalala is a reflection of myself. He reminds me of myself. And I have no sense of self-worth because that's what apartheid has done to me. That's what colonization has done to me, to take away my sense of value. So it's very important for us to, that's the African calendar, the African New Year, anything that talks about who we are as an indigenous people, as the first people, is an important tool to the empowerment, to mental emancipation, because that we haven't achieved yet.